Good morning, class 7th. We are again here to proceed the third chapter of history. Our today's topic is Iltutmish, that is given on page number 18. Iltutmish was a favorite slave of Qutbuddin Aibak. He was married with the daughter of Qutbuddin Aibak. Here it is given misprinting. Here it is written he was married with the daughter of Sultan. Sorry, that is correct. Sultan means Qutbuddin Aibak. So, Iltutmish was the son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak. After facing many difficulties, Iltutmish got the throne and he pleased his Turkish nobles by allowing them grant of Jagirs. He introduced Iqta system. Iltutmish introduced Iqta system, under which land was provided to nobles and others in lieu of slavery. He introduced silver coins, that is known as taka, and copper coins, that is known as jital. He shifted the capital from Lahore to Delhi, and Iltutmish shifted the capital of Delhi Sultanate from Lahore to Delhi. Thereafter, Razia Sultan. She ruled from 1236 to 1240. Iltutmish made his daughter Razia as his successor. The successor of Iltutmish was Razia, who was the daughter of Iltutmish, because his sons were not capable of administration. Because the sons of Iltutmish were not eligible to be the Sultan of Delhi. She became Sultana after the death of her father, but the nobles did not like the idea of being ruled by a woman. But the nobles did not like Razia Sultana because they did not accept they did not want to be ruled by a woman. Razia was brave, bold and courageous, but she ruled for a very short duration, that is only 5 years. After her Balban. Now we are going to discuss about Balban. Ghiyasuddin Balban, who started his reign from 1266 and his reign lasted in 1286. His reign was for 20 years and he strengthened the administration and trained the army to use new weapons. He adopted a very stern policy of blood and iron, due to which he used the sword against the rebels. He started Sijda system Everybody coming in his court, those who came in his court, has to touch down the ground with the forehead in salvation to the Sultan. It is compulsory for everybody that after entering into the court they had to touch the ground with their forehead in the reverence of Sultan, in the respect of Sultan. Balban died in 1286. All his successors were weak and inefficient, and after Balban, Slave dynasty was declined because his successors were weak and inefficient. So, from here, Khilji dynasty started the rule over Delhi Sultanate. Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of Khilji dynasty. Jalaluddin Khilji. He started his reign in 1290 and being the Sultan of Delhi till 1320. His nephew and son-in-law Alauddin murdered him and captured the throne. His own nephew and the son-in-law, whose name was Alauddin Khilji, had murdered his uncle Jalaluddin Khilji and captured the throne. So beta, tomorrow I will tell you, we will discuss about Alauddin Khilji. Thank you for today.